Why a self-love vision board? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, creating your very own self-love vision board. Now, before we get started, let me share a little story with you. A few years ago, I was in a place where self-doubt felt louder than self-love. It wasn't until I discovered the power of visualization that things began to change. I started using a vision board not just for life goals, but specifically for self-love. And let me tell you, it was transformative every time I looked at it. It reminded me to celebrate my worth and stay connected to my personal values. That's the magic of visualization. It helps you see your goals clearly and brings them into focus every single day. A self-love vision board is more than just a creative project. It's a personal roadmap to remind you of your journey towards self-care and empowerment. Step 1. Materials and preparation. Let's start by gathering the essentials. You'll need a corkboard or poster board, some magazines, scissors, glue, and markers. Oh, and don't forget some calming music and maybe a candle or two to set the mood. This is your sacred time, so make it feel special. Before diving in, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself, what does self-love mean to me? What do I want to achieve in this area? This is the foundation of your vision board. Step 2. Crafting your vision board. Now for the fun part. Start with words affirmations like I am worthy, or values that resonate with you, like growth or peace. Then, find inspiring images that represent your goals. These could be anything: a serene beach, a strong tree, or even a smile that reminds you to be kind to yourself. Arrange everything in a way that feels meaningful to you. This is your story, your vision. So let your creativity shine. Step 3. Creating a meaningful design. Now let's make it beautiful. Use different colors and textures to add dimension. Maybe you want to include personal items, a pressed flower, a small charm, or even a photo that brings you joy. Don't be afraid to add a little sparkle or embellishments like stickers and ribbons to make it truly yours. Step 4. Placement and daily ritual. Once you've completed your board, place it somewhere visible: your bedroom, workspace, or wherever you'll see it daily. But here's the key: engage with it. Spend a few moments each day looking at your board. Let it inspire you and remind you of your goals. Make it a ritual. Use your vision board as a source of positivity and self-affirmation. Remember, this is a tool for you to celebrate your worth and your journey. And there you have it, a self-love vision board to guide and inspire you every day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what self-love means to you, or share your vision board journey. Until next time, take care. And remember, you are worthy of all the love and joy the world has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video. Bye.